Good morning, children. Today I will continue the lesson power sharing and we will discuss the topic the accommodation in Belgium. In Sri Lanka, that is the majority of the Sinhalas. What they have done, they have forced their will on the people, that is of Sri Lankan Tamils, Indian Tamils. But in Belgium, the political leaders, they have taken a different path because they understood the feelings and sentiments of all the communities, Dutch, French as well as Germans. So what they did, they realized their feelings, they realized their emotions, and they realized the existence of the regional differences and cultural diversities. So between 1970 and 1993, they amended the constitutions 4 times. Why they amended? Because they want to bring the changes in the constitution so that everybody in the country live in harmony and peace with one and another. And that model, Belgian model, which they have prepared, the arrangements in this model are so unique and innovative that is unique to the world, means any other country does not possess it. And the elements of this Belgian model are, first one is there will be equal number of Dutch and French speaking ministers in the central government. Thus no single community can take the decisions unilaterally. Means single means the Dutch neither will take on their own nor the French. Second is the many parts of the central government have been given to the state governments, and the state governments are not subordinate to the central government. Next is the Brussels has a separate government, that is, as you know, the capital city, and in which both the communities have equal representation. So why they've accepted? Because the French people accepted the Dutch because the Dutch have accepted their presentation in the central governments. And the last one is the community government. There is other than the central government and state government, there is one government which is known as a community government. That government is elected by the people belonging to one language community, Dutch, French and German. This government has power regarding cultural, educational and language related issues. Means they can promote their own language, they can protect their culture as well as education. And what are the result of this Belgian model? That is, it avoided civic strife in the country, and thus the Brussels, the capital city, was chosen as the European headquarters. And this power sharing which we are reading, why do we need it? So why power sharing is desirable? Because it facilitates the government to rule over the people efficiently, and there are 2 reasons. First one is the prudential reason, that it helps in reducing the conflict between the various social groups and is necessary for maintaining social harmony and peace in the country. For example, in India, that the weaker sections, for example, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes, their seats have been reserved under the reservation policy, so that what they can do, they can also contribute their role in the running of the government. And second one is the moral reason. It upholds the spirit of the democracy, and in a truly democratic setup, the citizens to have a stake in the governance. What does it means here? That in India, you can see people can come together to debate on the topics and policies of the government, and what they can do, they can criticize any decision taken by the government if it is not in their favoring or for in the country. So they can make the government to rethink over their policies as well as rethink over their decisions. So government can support the system as we have freedom of speech and expression. And how this power sharing is different forms of the power sharing, I will continue in the next video. Till then, stay blessed.